In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chatgpt to create your own prompts. See you on the inside. So many people that use the generative AI platform, Chatgpt, or for that matter, any of the generative AI platforms, they tend to get stuck in this mode where they just ask questions back and forth, never really fully capitalizing on the platform itself and what it is potentially able to do for them. Well, what I want to show you today is how to use a prompt to create your prompt inside of ChatGPT. This prompt is going to help you create the ideal prompt for your particular use case that you are trying to build in ChatGPT. Now, in today's example, I'm going to show you how to create a ChatGPT prompt that creates another prompt to help you to build a customer avatar buyer persona. So, before we go over to my computer, if you haven't already, please follow the Funnelosophy YouTube channel. Every single follow that I get helps grow this channel. I appreciate all of you in my audience. You are wonderful. The comments, your support have been great. But I need you to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that every time I put out a new video, you will be notified. And please, please leave comments. I use the comments to develop my content as both a YouTube planner and as a YouTube content creator. Also use them for my podcast, the AI-Powered Marketing Show, which you can find on Spotify or on Apple Podcast. I'm going to show you how to use a prompt today that I bought on PromptBase. I'll show you where you can get that. This prompt will help you to develop your own prompts, whatever the use case may be. Let's head on over inside. Okay, here is the prompt that I'm going to be using. It says, act as a prompt generator for ChatGPT. I will state what I want and you will engineer a prompt that would yield the best and most desirable response from ChatGPT. Each prompt should involve asking ChatGPT to act as, and in brackets, role. Anytime you see brackets in a prompt, that's where you want to add your role in this case, or down here, the desired prompt. For example, act as a lawyer. The prompt should be detailed and comprehensive and build on what I request to generate the best response from ChatGPT. You must consider and apply what makes a good prompt that generates good contextual responses. Don't just repeat what I request. Improve and build upon my requests so that the final prompt will yield the best, most useful, and favorable responses out of ChatGPT. Place any variables in square brackets here. So you're supposed to put all this in there, but what I'll actually do is I will delete this, and everything after the colon will be what it uses. Now, this is the most important part about how to use this prompt. Make sure you're as detailed as possible and as clear as you can possibly be about what it is that you want, your desired outcome. So here I have a comprehensive buyer persona that answers the following questions. And then I've got a list: demographics of ideal customer, name, age, gender, marital status, education, income, psychographics of ideal customer, pain points, etc. You see the whole prompt here. So this will be what I load into ChatGPT. Okay, so I've copied and pasted the prompt, our new prompt, into ChatGPT. And in the section where it said, describe your product or service, I put in there, my company sells left-handed widgets for left-handed people. This should be interesting. I'm not going to fill in all this stuff, but you can provide a common name, specific age range, gender if applicable. You can do all that on your own. So now we're going to click on the transmit button and see what we get. Okay, so let's take a look at the response we got. Creating comprehensive buyer persona for a company specializing in left-handed widgets for left-handed people involves integrating both demographic. Okay, we know that. So it gave my person a name, so you don't have to do that, as I thought. 25 to 35, gender any, single or in a relationship, bachelor's degree, 45 to 75,000 annually. Now this is where it gets interesting, I'm sure. Psychographics. Difficulty finding tools and widgets that cater to left-handed use, leading to frustration and decreased productivity in daily tasks and hobbies. Number one problem or concern, the most significant issue is the lack of ergonomically designed products for left-handed people, causing discomfort and inefficiency in both personal and professional activities. Consequences of not solving the problem. Continuing to use products designed for right-handed people can result in physical discomfort, a feeling of exclusion, and potential long-term health issues like carpal tunnel syndrome or tendonitis. After statements with widgets. After statement with widgets designed for left-handed use. I feel acknowledged and can perform tasks more efficiently and comfortably, enhancing my overall well-being and productivity. Top 3 frustrations. Lack of availability of left-handed options is in common tools and gadgets. Social exclusion or feeling overlooked by mainstream product designs. The extra effort and discomfort in adapting to right-handed products. Aspirations. Alex aspires to be efficient and comfortable in their daily activities, hobbies, and professional tasks without feeling hindered by their left-handedness. They want to be seen as equally capable and not disadvantaged by product design villains. The mainstream focus on right-handed product designs and the societal oversight that underrepresents left-handed individuals' needs. Fears of being perpetually disadvantaged in a right-handed world, leading to potential health issues and decreased quality of life due to lack of suitable products. So it gives, and I did that intentionally because I knew I was going to get a rather humorous response, but it gives us a very detailed buyer persona. And I am quite happy with this prompt that I created on my own, and I can use over and over and over again. So there you have it, folks. We have just created our own customized prompt to create a buyer persona with the exact details that we want to know. You can use that prompt for any use case that you might have. Try it out, experiment with it. Most importantly, 2 keys. Make sure that you, like I said, put a detailed outcome that you want, and make sure you're clear and concise in what you want. And you'll get a very effective prompt, as you can see. If you got value out of this video today, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. You'll get notified every time I put out a new video. As always, keep striving forward, and I will see you in the next video.